Ever been stuck on a project because you couldn't find a specific tool in a software? You're not alone. Imagine this. You're working on a crucial project and time's ticking away. You know there's a tool within your software that can make the task a breeze, but you just can't seem to locate it. Frustrating, isn't it? This is a common issue faced by many. It's like being in a maze, knowing there's a way out, but not finding it. This not only slows down your progress, but also affects your productivity drastically. Not to mention the stress and anxiety that comes along with it. But don't worry, it's not a dead end. The good news is, this problem isn't insurmountable. In fact, it's quite solvable. The solution lies in understanding the software better. Ready to dive in? Understanding a software is like solving a puzzle. Each piece has its own place and purpose. Let's dive right in and start breaking down the software we're exploring today. First up, we have the toolbar. Think of the toolbar as your utility belt. It's where you'll find all the basic functions you need to navigate and manipulate your workspace. Whether you're looking to save your progress, undo a mistake, or access a specific tool, the toolbar is your go-to spot. Next, we have the menu. The menu is like the control center of the software. It's where you can access more complex features and settings. It's the place you'll go to when you want to change the way the software behaves, or when you need to access more advanced functions that aren't directly available on the toolbar. Now let's talk about the workspace. The workspace is the canvas on which you'll create your masterpiece. It's where you'll spend most of your time, and it's where all the magic happens. The workspace is where you'll see the direct results of your actions, whether that's creating a new design, writing a line of code, or just tweaking the settings of your project. Each of these components, the toolbar, the menu, and the workspace, has a unique function. The toolbar is for quick access to basic features, the menu is for digging deeper into the software's functionalities, and the workspace is where you bring everything together and see your work come to life. So what's the takeaway? Understanding these components is key to mastering any software. It's like knowing your way around a city. The toolbar is your local neighborhood, where you find everything you need for daily survival. The menu is the city center, where you explore the wider possibilities. And the workspace? That's your home, where you create, experiment, and make your mark. Now that you know where everything is, it's time to learn how to use the tools. Tools are what make a software powerful. They're like the magic wand in your hand. Now imagine a workshop filled with various tools. Each one has a specific purpose, a unique task it performs. Similarly, in our software, each tool is designed for a particular function. Let's start with the Select tool. It's your go-to for choosing elements within the software. Just click on the object you want to interact with, and voila, it's selected. Simple, isn't it? Next, we have the Move tool. As the name suggests, it's used to shift elements around. Just select the object with your Select tool, and then drag it using the Move tool. Remember, precision is key here. Then there's the Zoom tool. It's like a magnifying glass, helping you focus on the finer details. To use it, simply click on the area you want to magnify. To zoom out, right-click instead. We also have the Draw tool. It's your virtual pencil letting you sketch and design freely. Just click and drag across the screen to draw. Last, but certainly not least, is the Erase tool. Made a mistake? No worries. The Erase tool is here to save the day. Simply select it and click on the area you want to remove. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to mastering the software. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane, shall we? We started by identifying our software problem, then dove into breaking down the software structure. Unraveling the interface, we discovered the tools at our disposal. We've equipped you with knowledge on how to use these tools effectively. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? But the journey doesn't end here. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to try out what you've learned today. See you in the next tutorial.